Hi, hello, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So we are discussing fourth chapter carbon and its compounds. In last video, I have given clear picture how to name the given organic compounds without functional group. Please go through that video. In this video, I would like to explain naming of organic compounds consists of functional groups. So before going on start the session, let me give clear picture what is functional group and its examples. Get ready students. What is meant by functional group? Functional group means, make a note of it. Functional group. What is a functional group? Functional group means an atom or a group of atoms, an atom, an atom or a group of atoms which is which is which is responsible which is responsible for the properties of properties of organic properties of organic compounds. Is it clear? Functional group is nothing but an atom or a group of atoms which is responsible for the properties of given organic compound is called functional group. For example, let us assume this is an organic compound. It is organic compound. Here I am placing OH group. This entire compound acts as alcohol because of this is a OH group, is a functional group of alcohol. I would like to remove this one and I would like to place COOH. Then the compound acts as acid. That means it's a very simple one. Have a look. That means if I placed COOH group, the entire compound acts as acid. If I placed OH group, entire compound acts as alcohol. That means the properties of this part depends on the atom or a group of atom which is gets attached to it. Am I right? Yes. Yes. That means properties of this compound or this part depends on the this functional group, this group of atoms. So this is called functional group. Functional group means an atom or a group of atoms which is responsible for the properties of given organic compound which is gets attached to it. That is called functional group. Make a note of it. An atom or a group of atoms which is responsible for the properties of organic compounds. This atom or a group of atom is considered as functional group. The first one I would like to say carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Right. Carboxylic acid general form is COOH. So carboxylic acid. You can write this like this C double bond OH. Or also you can write in bond line secure form C double bond OH. This is a carboxylic acid. This is a functional group. Here, if COOH group gets attached with hydrogen also called as acids are also called as acid. If COOH group gets attached with hydrogen, also considered as acid, or if COOH group gets attached to R, also considered as acids. What is R? I said R is alkyl group. R is alkyl group. How will you get alkyl group? When hydrogen is removed from alkanes. Alkanes minus hydrogen, then you will get alkyl group. If you remove one hydrogen from methane, you will get methyl. One hydrogen from ethane, you will get ethyl. One hydrogen from propane, you will get propyl. So, this is the alkyl group. Here, R is if COOH group gets attached to hydrogen, also considered as acid, and if it is gets attached with or also considered as acid. Or is nothing but alkyl group. Alkyl group is obtained removal of one hydrogen from alkanes. Right. If we have got COOH group in a given organic compound, that is considered as secondary suffix, and you should call that as oic acid. Oic acid. Oic acid. Oic acid. One more important point I would like to give: acid group always present terminal carbon atoms of the organic compound. Terminal carbon atoms of the organic compound. So please make a note of it. Carboxylic acid, COOH, if it is gets attached with hydrogen, also considered as acid, or if it is gets attached with alkyl group, also considered as acid. If you have got COOH group in the given organic compound, you should use the secondary suffix oic acid. Oic acid. Here R is nothing but alkyl group. How will you get alkyl group? By removal of one hydrogen from alkanes. Right. Next one. One. Next one. Alcohol. Alcohol. Alcohol general formula OH. So OH must be gets attached with only R, not H. If OH gets attached with H, it will be considered as water, not an alcohol. Please keep that point in your mind. If OH gets attached with hydrogen, it should not be considered as alcohol because it's a water. So that means OH group must be gets attached to the alkyl group, or is nothing but alkyl group. So if you have got OH group in the given organic compound, so we should use OL as secondary suffix. OL as secondary suffix. Next functional group, aldehyde. 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 CHO. Also you can write C double bond O OH. Sorry, C double bond O H. And bond line like this, C double bond H. Right. So these are aldehyde. So if CHO group gets attached with hydrogen, also considered as aldehyde, or it also gets attached with, if it is gets attached with or, also considered as aldehyde. So if you have got aldehyde group in the function in the given organic compound, you should call that as Al. So this is OL, this is Al. Please remember that. Okay, is the aldehyde functional group. Alcohol and aldehyde. Make a note. Next one. Ketone. 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 C double bond O. C double bond O. C double bond O. So ketone C double bond O must be present between two alkyl groups. This one also carbon and this one also carbon. So if C double bond group present between two carbon atoms, that is considered as keto group. Keto group. Right? So in this one, you should call this one 1. If the keto group present in the given organic compound, you should use secondary suffix as 1. 1. Okay? Ketone. Next one. Ester. Ester. So general formula C double bond O. Right? So this one is or this it must be alkyl group. If it is gets attached with hydrogen, also considered as ester, and if it is gets attached with or, also gets attached to the or, also considered as ester. So this group is called alkyl group. This is called O8 group. O8 alkyl, and this one is O8 group. So acid. Next one is alcohol completed, aldehyde, and ketone esters. So next and last functional group according to our syllabus, that is halo group. Halogen. Halogen. Represented with X. X is nothing but 17 group elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So then you should use the word halo. Use the word halo. Please remember this. Copy. Now let us have a talk how to name the given organic compounds which consist of functional groups, branch, double bond, triple bond, dissolve, or substituents dissolved. Get ready. Right. I would like to take one simple compound. This is the given compound. Right. I said to you, please remember 21PW always. 21PW always. So before going on name the compound, let us write detailed structure of this one. This is a bond line structure. You will not get these kind of structures in CBSE board examination. So that's why I would like to convert this into detailed structure. Right. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, C double bond O, OH. So this is a detailed structure. Okay, ma'am? Right. I said so many times, please remember this one 21P W12S. What is secondary prefix? Secondary prefix tells us, is there any branches in a parent chain? So first of all, let us select the parent chain, longest possible chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is parent chain. This is the parent chain. Those carbon atoms are not included in parent chain considered as branch. One branch is there, that is methyl. So this one is a COOH, is acid, is a functional group. So numbering must be done from the either from the side of the functional group, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. One branch is there at second carbon. So secondary prefix branch. Yes, one branch is there. 2-methyl. 2-methyl. Right. Primary prefix. It's not a cyclic compound. Strike out. Word root, number of carbon atoms in the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means but. Right. Next one. Primary suffix. Nature of bond or nature of linkage. Nature of bonds between carbon in parent chain. Only single bonds are present. So A. A. Secondary suffix. S. One functional group is there. What is the functional group? Acid. If we have got acid as functional group, we should use the word oic acid. Oic acid. Oic acid. Oic acid. So no need to give the number 1 oic acid, 2 oic acid like that, because of acid groups always present in the terminal carbon. So either here or here. So you will not get acid functional group in middle carbons, because of it's a acid functional group always appears at terminal carbons. Please keep that point in your mind, right? 2-methyl butoic acid. So is replaced and eliminated. So then you will get 2-methyl butanoic acid. 2-methyl butanoic acid. 2-methyl butanoic acid. Please remember that while counting carbon atoms in parent chain, the carbon in functional group also included. Please keep that point in mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2-methyl butanoic acid. 2-methyl butanoic acid. Make a note. Next compound. So this is a given compound. So let us draw the details type. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So this is a given compound. So we'll get compounds like this in board examination, not like this. So please keep that point in mind. Right. Right. 21P W12S. Right. Secondary prefix tells us branch. So there is no any set of branch. So this is the parent chain. So there is no any set of branch. Strike out. Primary prefix tells us given compound cyclic or not. It's not a cyclic compound, open chain. Strike out. Word number of carbon atoms present in parent chain. Number of carbon atoms present in parent chain. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pent. Primary suffix. Nature of bonds between carbon and carbon. Only single bonds are present. Right? A. So we should not consider this bond. So bonds between carbon and carbon in parent chain. Right? A. Next one. Primary suffix completed. A. Secondary suffix as one functional group is there. What is the functional group? C double bond go between two carbon atoms. C double bond go between two carbon atoms is keto group. Ketone. If you have got keto group in given organic compound, we should use one as secondary suffix. One. So one, where will be the one second carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. Right? So is eliminated. So then pent pentane, you should write 2, 1, or instead of that you can write 2 pentanone. 2 pentanone. 2 pentanone. 2 pentanone. Is it clear to you? 2 pentanone. Make a note. Next compound. What is the name of this compound? Let me draw details title. CH3 bond CH2 bond CH OH CH2 CH3. This is a given organic compound. You should select parent chain. So maximum carbons, they must be continuous, right? Numbering must be done in order to functional groups to occupy the lowest position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can give from this side or this. That's up to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let us ask 21. Ask to 21 PW12. Secondary prefix. Yes, branch. So there is no any set of branches because it is not a branch. It is a functional group. What is branch? Those carbon atoms are not included in parent chain. They must be considered as branches. Here it's not a carbon atom, it's a OH group, functional group. So functional group should not be considered as branch. Right? So there is no any set of branch. And it's not a cyclic compound as well. So what would number of carbon atoms in parent chain? 5. 5 means pent. Am I clear to you, my dears? Right. Please make a note of each and every point what I am writing on the board. Don't skip the points. Next one. Primary suffix, nature of bonds between carbon and carbon. Only single bonds. A. Secondary suffix, as alcohol is there. If you have got alcohol as a functional group, OH as a functional group, you should use the word OL. 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 So OL is present at third carbon. 3OL. 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 Right? Pentane 3-vol. Pentane 3-vol. Also you can write 3-pentanol. 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 Make a note. Right. This is the given compound. So let us write the details taken. CH3, CH2, CH. Here CH3 is present. C double bond O H. So we need to identify the functional group, that is CHO, that is aldehyde is present, aldehyde group, right? So numbering must be done from this side. Okay, so let us give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a parent chain. So those carbon atoms are not included in parent chain, they considered as branch. Right. Let us ask 21P W12S. What is secondary prefix? Right, branches. Right, one branch is there at second carbon, that is 2-methyl. Completed. What is primary prefix? Cyclic. It's not a cyclic compound. Strike root. What is the word root? Number of carbon atom present in parent chain selected by you. That is 4 carbon atoms. But. Okay. What is primary suffix? Only single bonds between carbon and carbon. So that's why A. What is secondary suffix? Functional group. Functional group is present at first carbon, that is aldehyde. So you should use Al. 1 Al. So no need to give numbering as well because of aldehyde group also present at terminal carbons only. Terminal carbons only. Right? So 2-methyl, 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 2-methyl butanol, 2-methyl butanol is eliminated. 2-methyl butanol, 2-methyl butanol, 2-methyl butanol. Is it clear to you? Make a note. Next compound. CH3COOH. What is the name of this compound? CH3COOH is acetic acid. What is the name of this compound? So let me draw structure. CH3, C double bond O, OH. Right? 21P, W, 12S. Parent chain. This is a parent chain. How many carbons? 2 carbons. 1, 2. 21PW, 12S. Secondary prefix. No branches. Primary prefix. It's not a cyclic compound. Word root. Number of carbon atom present in the given parent chain. So 2 carbon atoms. That means it. Secondary suffix. Only single bonds between carbon and carbon. A. Sorry, primary suffix. Secondary suffix. Acid is present. Oic acid. So oic acid. Oic acid. So what is the name of this compound? So is gets eliminated, then you should write ethanoic acid. So ethanoic acid also called acetic acid. You will get in the examination what is the IUPAC name of CH3COOH, what is the common name of CH3COOH. CH3COOH is called acetic acid and also called ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Make a note. Next one. What is the name of this compound? Try yourself. Right. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. 21P, W12S. Secondary prefix. So there is no branches. Primary, it's not a cyclic compound. Word root, number of carbon atoms present in parent chain, 3 carbon atoms. So pro. Primary suffix, nature of bonds between carbon and carbon. Single bonds, A. A. Secondary suffix, functional group. Functional group is keto group. C double bond O group present between 2 carbon atoms. So that's why it is considered as keto group. If you have got ketone in given organic compound, you should use the 1. 1. Where will be the 1? So on second carbon. 1, 2, 3. Second carbon. 2, 1. So you can write propane 2, 1, or instead of that you can write 2 propanone. 2 propanone. So 2 propanone. 2 propanone. Or simply you can say that propanone because of, so if you have done the numbering from this side, then you will get only 2. 2 propanone only. From this side also you will get 2 propanones. So no need to give number. So propanone, simply you can say propanone. Propanone or propane 2,1 or 2 propanone. Or what is the common name of this compound is acetone. Acetone, very important, acetone. Acetone commonly used as nail polish remover. Nail polish remover. You will get the question in the examination. Organic compound X is commonly used as removal of nail polish. What is its IUPAC name? So its IUPAC name is propanone or propanone. Make a note. Right. What is the compound? What is this compound? So now let us name this given organic compound. So let me write the detailed structure CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Right. So what is this functional group? COOR. This is ester. Ester group is present. Okay. Right. So now let us ask 21PW12S what is the name of this compound. 21PW12S. So select parent chain. In this one is a different one. This is a alkyl group. Please make a note of it. This is a alkyl group. This is a OH group. Alkyl group. This is a alkyl group. This is a OH group. Okay. So name will be alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. The methyl. This one is propyl. So two carbons are there. So that is propanoate. Propanoate. The alkyl is methyl. Methyl. Right. So name of the compound will be methyl propanoate. Methyl propanoate. Methyl propanoate. Please make a note of methyl propanoate. Methyl propanoate. Methyl propanoate. Next compound. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Right? The alkyl group is a OH. Two carbons. Ethanoate. Ethanoate. This one is methyl. Methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Okay, right. Next compound. CH3Cl, CH3CH2Br, CH3CH2 CH2 CH3. This one is Br. What are the names of these compounds? So this is chloromethane. Chloromethane. This is chloromethane. This is bromoethane. Bromoethane. Then what about this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bromo butane. 2 bromo butane. So these are the few words regarding to naming of organic compounds based on the functional groups. So I hope you understand. So please make a note and revise again and again. Then you will get clear picture how to name the given organic compounds. In forthcoming session, let us have a talk. Naming of organic compounds again with the help of isomerism concept. Till then, so be active and keep learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.